In this video, I will show how to use the Cumulative Mark Average function in WebTess Grades, as well as demonstrate the new Missing Marks by Student report. The Cumulative Mark Average function allows you to take marks from several report periods and combine them together to calculate an overall cumulative average, which can be printed on reports and saved in another report period. We'll begin by looking at how the report periods are set up in Grades. Go to Grades, Setup, and then Report Periods. The report periods in your school may appear differently. You can have up to 20 report periods. You can set up report periods to record marks for each term or quarter, and you can have report periods for each semester, as well as exams and final marks. You can indicate which report periods are currently used or enabled, and which report periods contain marks that will appear on transcripts. You can also reorder or renumber the report periods if you wish. Then you can use the Cumulative Mark Average function to combine and calculate marks. Go to Grades, Reports, Cumulative Mark Average Report. Select the students for the report. In this example, I'm going to use a file of 35 students. And then click Continue. Next, I can select the report periods which contain the marks to be averaged together. You can set the weight of each report period to be included in the calculation. In this example, I'm going to take the Quarter 1 and Quarter 2 marks and the Semester 1 exam mark, weighted at 40%, 40%, and 20% each. I can also check the box to print the results on a report, and then click OK. Then, as you see in the results, the report has calculated the cumulative average of all the marks. In this example, the results are printed on the report, but they have not been saved anywhere. You can also save the cumulative average in a separate report period. To do that, we go to Grades, Reports, Cumulative Mark Average Report. We choose our group of students, or choose the whole school if you wish, or by grade level, and then click OK, and then Continue. Once again, select the report periods that you want to average together and set the weight for the report periods. And then this time, select the report period where you want the results saved. Then click OK. Now the report has been printed and the results have been saved in the Semester 1 final report period. I can look at the marks by going to Grades, Enter Data by Student, and then bring up a student. Choose Semester 1 Final, and here are where the results have been saved. I can now print these marks on report cards and transcripts. Keep in mind, if any marks are changed in the report periods that were selected for the calculation, you will need to run the Cumulative Mark Average function again so that the calculated mark will be updated. Next, I will demonstrate a new report, Missing Marks by Student. You can already run reports to find missing marks by class and missing marks by teacher. The new report, Missing Marks by Student, will print students who are missing marks from any of their classes and print a report for each student showing the classes that are missing marks. First, select the students that you want to check. Then choose the items that you want to see are missing. You can choose the mark, or the work habit, or absences, or any combination. Then select the report period that you want to check, and click OK. The report shows each student and the classes they are missing marks from. At the end of this report, you can use the option to save this list to file for use in other functions